Hello childrens, welcome to English class. In today's English class, we will learn two-letter words of vowels. Childrens, as we know that there are 5 vowels in English alphabets. So, tell me what are they? They are A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. We are the vowels. That's right. So, children, these are the 5 vowels. By using the vowels, let's learn two-letter words. Childrens, let's first learn by blending two-letter words of a vowel. The phonic sound of a is a, a, m, am, m, am, n, an, n, an, p, ap, p, ap, s, as, s, as, t, at, t, at, g, ag, g, ag, b, ab, b, ab, d, ad, d, ad. Next, let's do blending of E vowel. The phonic sound of E is a, d, ad, d, ad, g, egg, g, egg, n, 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 t, at, t, at. Now let's do blending of I vowel. The phonic sound of I is E. E, b, ib. E, b, ib. I, e, d, id. E, d, id. E, g, ig. E, g, ig. E, m, im. E, m, im. E, n, in. E, n, in. E, p, ib. E, p, ib. E, t, it. E, t, it. Now let's do blending of O vowel. Childrens, the phonic sound of O is O. O, b, op. O, b, op. O, d, od. O, d, od. O, g, og. O, g, og. O, m, om. O, m, om. O, n, on. O, n, on. O, p, op. O, p, op. O, t, ot. O, t, ot. O, v, ov. O, v, ov. Lastly, let's do blending of U vowel. The phonic sound of U is A. A, b, ab. A, b, ab. A, d, ad. A, d, ad. A, m, am. A, m, am. A, n, an. A, n, an. A, p, up. A, p, up. A, t, at. A, t, at. Alright children, that's it. Keep practicing these two-letter words. Thank you and have a nice day children.